Hi everyone, thank you for joining us. We are so pleased with all the subscribers, but we need more, so please tell your family and friends to subscribe. Today, Milagro Interiors is going to show you how to set a dining table for Christmas. We're so excited and we're still in the Christmas spirit, so please join us and watch the video. So I have some friends coming over for dinner tonight, so I'm going to set a table for 4, and I've placed all my items on the buffet, so I'm going to show you a few items right now and a few tips that I'm going to change up a bit. So the dinnerware, I bought 2 different sets and I mixed them up. So this is the one and this is the second one. I think they're just gorgeous, so I just mixed it up a bit so we don't have the same set and it looks really intriguing. The other thing I got was to make it a little bit more rustic. Got this wood placemats. I think they're awesome. And one thing I wanted to do was, instead of using candles, I wanted to use lights. So I have a few different lights. I have lighting in a garland and I have some snowballs which light up. But I didn't realize that they were colored. I wanted just white. So you might want to check that before you purchase. It doesn't really say that in the instructions, but maybe bring some batteries with you when you go to the store. That could be a good tip. So I'm gonna put this all together. Oh wait, one more thing. I also bought 2 runners. Yes, I said 2 runners. So normally we put 1 runner across the table, but this is gonna be a bit different. I'm gonna put 2 runners across from each guest, and I'll show you how. Just keep watching. So we have the runners going across instead of lengthwise. I got this garland and I added a light to it and put it in the center of the table. This will be the decor. Decor I chose for my centerpiece. I purchased a garland and I put some lights on the side of the garland. I got some Christmas balls, snowballs, and some trees. So the focal point is the trees. You don't want anything too tall because you want to talk to your guests across the table. This is perfect. It's thin, and you want it in 3s or 5s as a design aspect. I think it looks great. So I added some flowers, some feathers, some golden feathers. It will set and it looks fantastic. So I added some rustic to the elegance, but overall it looks so elegant. But did you notice something different? I'm not talking about the wine bottle, but I added a gift. It's such a special touch. The guests will go home with the gift and they'll love it. I decided on purchasing this ornament because it's in a box and it goes with the decor. Look at it, it looks so beautiful. I purchased this at Pier 1 Imports. They have a bunch of different designs. Thanks again for watching. We are so pleased with all our subscribers and we encourage you to invite your family and friends. Tell them to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. One easy click to subscribe, just click down below. I'm Maria from Milagro Interiors and we wish you a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ciao for now.